Romina and welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you probably have seen this trend going around all over TikTok and Instagram and you were wondering how to do it. And this is why I'm doing this video, to explain and show you how to edit your videos for this trend. If you guys want to get a shout out at the end of each of my videos, all you gotta do is go subscribe and turn on the bell and go to the comments and say done. Also, all my socials are linked in the description so you can easily go and check me out. Before we start editing our videos, of course you need to have a video. I already filmed my video using my phone's camera and using slow-mo, so this is how it looks. And I also added some hand motions to make the effects cooler, and then of course the slow-mo part. If you want to film this type of video for this trend, you can for sure go to your phone's camera, put it on slow-mo, and start filming the video. Once you have your video filmed, trimmed, and the slow-mo placed in the right place, we're gonna go to our video star. I'm gonna be pressing on plus, I'm gonna press on edit video, and I'm gonna go to videos, and then I'm gonna press on the video that I filmed. Now as it's done processing, I'm gonna press on new, press on re-effect clip, and then I'll get this page. So then what I'm gonna do is press on plus, and then scroll to the right to find the effect that I wanna use, which is this one. Do it like that. So basically once I press on re-effect, I'm gonna be moving this thing to the beats, if I can hear the beats because I can't. So we'll see how it's gonna turn out. Re-effect. And now I'm gonna be waiting till the end of this video for it to actually work. So now it's gonna process. So now we can actually see it. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is sliding effect. So I'm gonna press on new again, go to re-effect, and then I'm gonna press on the plus again, and then let's try to find it because I have no clue where the sliding is. So I'm gonna press on that and then slides. Oh, I think this is the right one. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna bring it to the part where I'm gonna be sliding the video, and then I'm gonna press on re-effect, and let's see what we can do with this. And then I'm gonna wait till the end of this video for it to process. So now once the second effect is done, I'm gonna press on new, I'm gonna press on re-effect again, and then go to the plus, and then find the sphere effect, which should be somewhere around here. Let's see. I don't remember where it was. Oh, there it is. And then I'm gonna bring this to the left because we don't want to have the sphere in the beginning of the video. So now I'm gonna press on re-effect and then wait for the part where I'm gonna use that. And that is it. So now I'm gonna press on the exit, and then I'm gonna save this to my camera roll. So now as I'm on my TikTok, I'm gonna press on plus and press on the videos, and then press on the video that I just saved. And then it's 12 seconds, the sound is 12 seconds, so I'm gonna just trim this to 12 seconds. Next, and then I'll press on the select sound at the top right corner, press on my favorite, and press on the sound. And I'll choose the cover of this video, and then I'm done. And then I can start posting it on my TikTok, and I'm good to go. So now guys, I'm gonna show you the final video. So this is it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends just so they also learn how to do it. Before I end this video, today's video shout out goes to Day in Life of Stella. Big shout out to that girl. I love you, and thank you so much for subscribing and turning on my bell. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!